Yes, little girl, that's the cat hop. You just gotta learn to do the cat hop.